So this is what we're putting on the floor. This is the primer. So this is the Eco Prim T Plus. So there's two types. You've got Eco Grip Plus, which is like a grey colour, and you've got this, which is like a blue colour that goes translucent once it dries.
And that's to help you see where you put it.
Yeah, well, yeah, I suppose.
Probably helpful.
Yeah.
Especially with your eyes.
Exactly. Hold
Right,
back, boy.
so what are we doing here?
So this is what we call priming.
So basically just a roller.
Yeah, start just painting basically. So just roll up to the edge.
Do you give it more than one coat?
Nah.
Just make sure you cover all the areas.
Yeah. So as you can see, I'm just making sure that I'm going over everything.
And why do we use primer, Hughie?
So the primer, it makes the screed suck into the ply. Now there is screeds, like this screed in particular as well, they say you don't have to prime. In certain, well, you don't have to prime. Always prime, no matter what, always prime.
Is that right? Just for belt and braces?
Well, just think if you don't prime it, it blows, then you've got to pull it all up. Just, if you prime it, you know that it's going to work.
Yeah.
So there's no point cutting corners for the sake of for another half hour or whatever.
Yeah.
And then it's going to cost you like a day or 2 days, maybe 3 days, pulling it all up, cleaning it all.
Yeah. Makes sense.
Cutting corners never pays, really.
Never pays, does it?
Never ever pays.
Not in this game.
And this dries really quick as well, so...
How long does it take to dry?
Well, the manufacturers will tell you that it takes, I don't know, a couple of hours. I don't know exactly, but as you can see, it's sucking into the ply already.
Yeah. So this would be slightly different on a screed, would it? Or would it still suck like Billy-O?
No, it's still even worse. It'd be dry in minutes.
Right.
But obviously, the top of it dries, but obviously the bottom doesn't so much. I've never had a problem with it if it doesn't dry. Well, I've gone over it wet sometimes, which is, again, maybe that is cutting the corner a little bit, but I've never had problems with it. But just be careful with it, because if you do get it on the walls or something, you can't really get it off if it dries.
Right, it sticks like...
Yeah, so and you can't paint over it. You have to rub it right back, because it's a primer, and it basically does what it says it's going to do, basically.
So you've got to be very careful about the walls then.
Yeah.
I mean, if this wasn't out, you'd probably... Well, you're pretty careful, aren't you? But if you're a DIY, you're better off masking them off.
Yeah, I suppose you are better. Better putting something there anyway. Or just take your time. Just go nice and easy. It's not, like I say, it's not a race. It's like anything. That's how mistakes are made, is when you rush things, you know?
What about walking on this while it's still tacky?
It's fine. But the only thing you've got to be careful is walking down on stairs and stuff like that, because obviously if it dries, then again, painting over it and stuff like that it's very difficult, you know? Well, what'll happen is nothing will stick to it. And there you go, look, it's nearly done now.
Yeah.
Just paint all of this. And all we'll do then, we'll just drop a couple of bags of Screed in. The job will be a good one.
Bob's your dad's brother.
Bob is your father's brother, yeah. Look at that. That was just the right amount, that. Like it was made for it. Right. I'll pass you that, mate. And that can go down in a minute.
Right, so we've got one nicely plyboarded floor and soon to be one nicely primed plyboarded floor, ready for a bit of screed.